Welcome to the PayWave, your guide to easy payments. In this video, we will walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to make a one-time payment with our partners at InvoiceCloud. Please note that the images shown may not be exact replicas of Highlands Ranch Water's payment portal, but the steps provided remain the same.
After you've followed the link to pay your bill online, select the type of bill you'd like to pay from the menu. Use the search tools to locate your account. Then, click the search button. Select your invoice. Then, click Add Selected Invoices. Review your selection. Use the available links if you'd like to view the invoice or remove it from your cart and start over. If everything looks correct, click the button at the bottom to proceed. Select a payment method from the drop-down and, if applicable, choose how much you'd like to pay. Note the information about any service fees and your grand total in the Payment Summary area. Click the Continue button. Enter your account information, including the billing address for your payment method. Next, enter an email address where you'd like to receive a receipt of your transaction. Click Continue to review payment. If available, confirm your selections for additional services like autopay, paperless billing, or pay by text, and review the details of your payment. You can review the InvoiceCloud payer terms and conditions here. Click the checkbox to agree, then click Process Payment. You'll receive a receipt for your records. If you need to print a copy, you can do so with this link. You can also register for an InvoiceCloud account to save payment methods, view past invoices, and easily manage your preferences.
And just like that, you're all set. It's as easy as turning on your tap. If you have any questions, please contact our billing department at cs@hrwater.org. Thank you for watching this segment of the PayWave, your guide to easy payments.